Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can change vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Finally, click on Vibrate section at the top between Sound and Mute to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can always click on Mute instead and click on the switcher next to Temporary Mute to switch it off or on. You can always select Sound. And this time tap on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable it. When you're done, click on Call Vibration or Notification Vibration over here. Then select Silent at the top or pick one of those vibration patterns. You can do exactly the same in those two sections. Now click on System Vibration. Click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch on or off haptic feedback for them. And then operate this System Vibration Intensity slider to adjust intensity of haptic feedback. Then you need to click on Vibration Intensity, and if you wish to access the same system slider as before, you can use it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!